Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of ads on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve ads on Facebook, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window of Facebook. Then this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here in this page of app, you will go to storage. Then you can click clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem you have. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.